Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 chemistry MCQs part 1d. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. शुक्रिया. द स्मॉलेस्ट RNA among the following is dash. Option A rRNA, B hnRNA, C mRNA, and option D tRNA. So the correct option is D tRNA. Explanation is tRNA, which means transfer RNA. 75 to 90 nucleotides is smaller than rRNA, which means ribosomal RNA, or mRNA, messenger RNA. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Codons are present in dash. Option A, template strand of DNA. Option B, mRNA. C, tRNA, and option D, rRNA. So the correct option is B, mRNA. mRNA carries codons for translation. The number of adenine and thymine bases is equal in option A, DNA, B, mRNA, C, tRNA, and option D, rRNA. So the correct option is A, DNA. Chargaff rule: adenine equal amount with thymine and DNA. The number of hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine and DNA is option A 1, B 2, option C 3, and option D 4. So the correct option is B 2. So it means adenine and thymine have two hydrogen bonds. Adenine pair with thymine form two hydrogen bonds. So this is very important MCQs. The complementary base of adenine in RNA is option A thymine, B cytosine, C guanine, and option D uracil. So the correct option is D uracil. In RNA, A pairs with U, adenine pair with uracil. Extranuclear DNA is present in option A ribosomes, B endoplasmic reticulum, C lysosome, and option D mitochondria. So the correct option is D mitochondria. Mitochondria have their own DNA called mitochondrial DNA. Is mitochondrial DNA present in all cells? Option A bacteria, B viruses, C eukaryotes, and option D all of these. So the correct option is C eukaryotes. Only eukaryotes have mitochondria. Transfer RNA transfers option A information from DNA to ribosomes, B information from mRNA to cytosol, option C amino acids from cytosol to ribosomes. So the correct option is C amino acids from cytosol to ribosomes. Transfer RNA delivers amino acids during translation. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. So this is very important MCQs. Daily uric acid excretion in adult man is option A 2 to 6 milligram, B 20 to 40 milligram, C 150 to 250 milligram, and option D 40 to 600 milligram. So the correct option is D 40 to 600 milligram. So normal range of uric acid is 250 to 750 milligram per day. Varies from diet. Thank you for watching my videos.